In this video, I will show you how to replace the rear turn signal bulbs in a 4th generation Kia Sportage. When one of the rear turn signal bulbs goes out in your Sportage, it immediately alerts you with a warning on the dashboard. When you start the engine, a warning message check turn signal along with orange triangle appears on the instrument cluster display. Now this isn't just a generic alert. Along with the warning, the display also gives you a visual indicator showing exactly which side is affected. So if your left rear bulb is out, the cluster will highlight the left side. And if it's the right one, it will highlight the right side instead. This feature makes it really convenient because you don't need to walk around the car or have someone else confirm for you. The car itself tells you precisely where the problem is as soon as it happens. The turn signal lights are built into the lower part of the rear bumper. At first glance, you might think replacing them means removing the entire bumper, but that's not necessary. There's a simple way to access the bulbs from under the vehicle, and you only need to remove a couple of clips. First things first, safety. Park your vehicle on a flat surface, switch off the engine, and make sure the parking brake is engaged. Since you will be working at the back, also check that the muffler has cooled down completely before you slide under the car. The exhaust can get extremely hot and cause serious burns if you touch it accidentally. Now slide under the bumper behind the rear wheel on the side where the turn signal is located. Underneath, you will see a plastic splash panel covering the area behind the bumper. This panel is held in place with 2 plastic clips at the bottom and a couple of bolts at the top. We only need to remove the bottom clips. Use a flathead screwdriver or a clip removal tool to carefully pop out the clips. Once they are removed, bend the panel back slightly to create an opening. This gives you enough space to reach in without taking the panel off completely. Look inside. You will see a round plastic bulb holder at the back of the turn signal housing. Grip it firmly, twist it counterclockwise, and then pull it straight out. Be mindful of the wiring attached to the holder. Don't pull too hard. Now removing the turn signal bulb is simple. Press down slightly and rotate it counterclockwise until it releases from the socket. Since it's an incandescent bulb, I recommend wearing gloves while handling it to avoid transferring oils from your skin, which can shorten the new bulb's lifespan. The part number is PY21W. It's a 12-volt, 21-watt incandescent bulb. Now grab your new bulb. Line up the pins, insert it into the socket, and twist it clockwise until it locks in place. Double check that it's secure. Reinstall the bulb holder into the housing by sliding it back into the opening and twisting it clockwise until it locks into place. Before putting the panel back, test the new bulb. Activate the turn signal and check that it flashes properly. If it works, move the splash panel back into place and reinstall the 2 clips by pushing them firmly until they snap. And that's how you replace a rear turn signal bulb in a 4th generation Kia Sportage without removing the bumper. A quick and simple fix you can do yourself. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to EasyJoin for more DIY automotive guides. Thanks for watching.